Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to unfollow on Instagram. Okay, two ways or two methods you can unfollow on Instagram. Okay, before you can unfollow on Instagram, you assume you have an Instagram account and persons you are following. Okay, so to unfollow these persons, this video will be showing you how to do that. So the first thing you're going to do is to click on the app. I have Instagram app here. You click on the app. So once you click on the app, it opens your news feed, that is your page, and here you get to find accounts you are following. Okay, the account you are following. Take for instance, I want to unfollow this account here, and I'm using the first method. What I'm going to do is to click on this account. So once I tap on this account, it will open this page for me. Then I'll go down here that says following. I'll click on it. So to unfollow the person, I'm going to click on unfollow to unfollow the person. So once I click on unfollow, okay, I've unfollowed the person. Okay, so this area has turned blue. Okay, I've unfollowed this account. That is the first method. The second method is to have the name of the account you want to unfollow in mind. Ama's Jewelry. So if I want to unfollow this account, what I'm going to do is to go down here and tap on this picture here. So I have the account I want to unfollow, like I have the account in mind. So what I'm going to do is to go to this area that says following, that is those I'm following, and click on it. So once I click on it, it opens. Then I go to this area that says search following. I type Ama's Jewelry. Ama's Jewelry. Okay. Ama's Jewelry. Okay, this is the account I'm looking for. So once I tap on it, I'll go to this place that says following, and I'll click on following to unfollow the person. Okay. So this is the second method you can unfollow the accounts you don't want to follow again. So these are basically the two methods to unfollow the accounts you don't want to follow. And hope you got value from this video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Bye for now.